So, you've applied for a business grant, and now you're wondering, how long does it actually take to get the money? Some people think grant funding is instant. Apply today, get paid tomorrow. But that's not exactly how it works. The truth is, your timeline depends on multiple factors: the type of grant, the approval process, and even how well you prepared your application. In this video, I'm breaking down the grant funding timeline step by step so you know what to expect, how to speed things up, and, most importantly, how to avoid delays that could cost you thousands in free funding. Let's get started. First things first, finding the right grant. This process alone can take anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, depending on how targeted your search is. Once you find the perfect grant, you'll need time to write a strong proposal. And trust me, rushing this part is a big mistake. You'll need a solid business plan, a budget breakdown, and a clear explanation of how the funds will be used. Most grant applications have strict deadlines, so if you miss one, you're waiting months for the next opportunity. That's why having the right tools and expert guidance is key. More on that later. Once you submit your application, the waiting game begins. Most grants take anywhere from 1 to 6 months to review applications and make decisions. Why so long? Well, grant providers don't just hand out money. They review every detail of your proposal, compare your application against thousands of others, verify financials and eligibility. Pro tip, want to speed this up? Double check your application for errors before submitting. One small mistake could send your proposal straight to the rejection pile. But even after approval, you're still not done. Congrats, you've been approved. But now, how long before you actually see the money? Most grant providers don't pay out funds immediately. The disbursement process usually takes 1 to 3 months, depending on the grant provider's payment schedule, additional paperwork or agreements, and bank processing times. If you weren't prepared for this waiting period, you could be stuck without funds when you need them most. But don't worry, there's a way to make sure you're not left in the dark. Now, if you don't want to spend months lost in the grant process, there's a faster way to get funding. Let me introduce you to grantfunds.com, the ultimate grant finding and application platform designed to streamline your funding journey. With grantfunds.com, you get hand-picked grant opportunities tailored to your business, step-by-step guidance to avoid application mistakes, expert grant writers who can craft winning proposals for you, and faster approval strategies to get funded sooner. Instead of spending months searching and waiting, let grantfunds.com help you cut through the noise and get real results fast. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. How long have you been waiting for a grant? Let's talk. And don't forget, follow Grant Funds on all social media platforms for daily grant tips, funding alerts, and expert advice to help you secure your funding faster. The money is there. You just need the right strategy to get it. Visit grantfunds.com today and take control of your funding timeline. See you in the next video.